Hi, my name is Sophia Liberator, and I did my research paper on stem cell research. So, the thesis for my paper: stem cell research holds immense promise for regenerative medicine, yet it raises significant ethical, scientific, and clinical challenges that must be addressed to ensure its safe and equitable application. Balancing the potential benefits of stem cell therapies with concerns regarding sourcing, informed consent, commercialization, and justice is crucial for harnessing this technology responsibly and effectively. Only through careful management of these issues can stem cell research realize its full potential in a manner that is both effective and equitable. We're going to go ahead and get into my introduction of stem cells. Stem cells are distinguished from other types of cells by their ability to self renew and differentiate into various specialized cells. This dual characteristic offers great promise in regenerative medicine, where stem cells could potentially replace or repair damaged tissues. The applications of stem cell therapies are vast and diverse, ranging from restoration of motor function in spinal cord injury patients to the repair of damaged heart tissue after a heart attack. Stem cells are sometimes used in the treatment of diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, offering hope where traditional therapies have failed. The biological properties of stem cells are foundational to their potential applications in medicine. Stem cells are typically classified into two categories: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. ESCs are pluripotent, meaning they can give rise to almost any cell type in the body, making them particularly attractive tool for regenerative medicine. Adult stem cells, however, are more specialized and tend to produce only specific cell types relevant to their tissue of origin. Also, there's the emergence of induced pluripotent stem cells, also known as iPSCs, which are adult stem cells that have been genetically reprogrammed to revert to the pluripotent state, which has further broadened the scope of stem cell research. iPSCs offer many of the advantages of regular embryonic stem cells without the associated ethical concerns, since they can be derived from the patient's own cells, and which also eliminates the need for embryos. Now we're going to talk about the ethical challenges in stem cell research. One of the most significant ethical challenges in stem cell research revolves around the sourcing of stem cells, particularly embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are typically derived from the early stage embryos, which are destroyed during the extraction process. This process has sparked a heated ethical debate regarding the moral status of the embryo and the question whether it is ethical to destroy human life for the sake of potential medical benefits. Proponents of stem cell research argue that the potential benefits of ESCs, such as curing debilitating diseases or regenerating vital organs, outweighs the moral concerns over embryo destruction. They emphasize that the use of human embryos in research could lead to groundbreaking advances in medicine that could save countless lives. Opponents, on the other hand, contend that embryos possess inherent moral value from the moment of conception, and that destroying them for the purpose of research is morally indefensible. In response to these ethical concerns, alternative methods of obtaining stem cells have been explored. The development of iPSCs have provided an important breakthrough in this area. iPSCs are created by reprogramming somatic cells, such as skin or blood cells, into a pluripotent state, this avoiding the ethical dilemmas associated with the use of human embryos. However, while iPSCs have alleviated some of the ethical concerns, they raise new questions about patient consent, privacy, and potential for exploration. The reprogram process itself can be risky, and there's still much that is unknown about the long term stability and safety of iPSCs. Nonetheless, iPSCs represent a promising alternative to regular embryonic stem cells, and continued research is needed to optimize the use and ensure their ethical application in a clinical setting. Another important ethical issue in stem cell research is informed consent. In clinical trials involving stem cells, it is crucial for patients fully understand the risks and benefits of participation. Stem cell based therapies are still in the experimental stage, and the long term effects are really unknown. Moreover, there's a possibility that the treatment may not yield the expected results or could even cause harm. Ensuring that patients provide truly informed consent where they are aware of the risk and have the autonomy to make decisions based on their based on the understanding on that understanding is essential for maintaining ethical standards in stem cell research. This information is particularly important for patients who are seeking stem cell treatments out of desperation, as they might be more susceptible to undue influence or coercion. In addition to informed consent, the commercialization of stem cell therapies raises concerns about access and equity. As stem cell therapies move from laboratory to the clinic, there's the risk that these treatments will become prohibitively expensive, making them accessible only to wealthier patients or those in developed countries. This could exacerbate existing healthcare inequities, where only a select portion of the population benefits from cutting edge medical advances.